What's up everyone, I'm Pavel and this is online programming school ITGENIO. Today I'll show you how to edit this photo like that. We'll replace coffee with C and add a pirate ship and some gulls. So we will also make good color adjustments in order to make our photo even more atmospheric and interesting. So let's get started. Duplicate the background layer with Ctrl J. Then we need to select the coffee area to replace it. So we use quick selection tool. Okay, here we go, great. Then press Ctrl J and here it is the second layer, only coffee area. Then we need the seed texture to replace it and add the texture, it is the third layer, and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl T, you can zoom out. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's make color adjustments. For example, change color balance. Add more blue color, maybe. Maybe like that. Okay. So there are some edges beyond which we can see the coffee area. In order to remove it, we can press the second layer, only coffee area, and zoom in. Ctrl T, okay. And we can see it. Yeah? Okay. There is also some roundness. We can fix it, but there is no point as it is the sea and waves are actually uneven. Yeah. Then we need the RGC texture. It is a wave. Add the texture. It is the first layer and also create clipping mask. Let's move it like that. Okay. Okay. We need to add layer mask to remove this area. To make a smooth transition, we need to use gradient editor from black to transparent white. We can remove an unnecessary part of a photo with the help of basic gradient fill tool. Okay. Okay. You can do it as well with the help of black brush. Of course, hardness should be 0%. If you want to get something back, you need to swap the colors around from black to white. Okay. And here's the wave. There are giant colors. Let's add the third layer in adjustments, hue saturation, add more turquoise color, less hue, more saturation. Okay. Lightness. Okay, maybe like that. Okay. So what are we doing next? we need to copy the image, Ctrl C, and paste Ctrl V on the fifth layer. Like that. Press Ctrl T and zoom out the part shape and save. Then I want it to reflect, so press Edit, Transform and flip horizontal. You can change the size and place whatever you want. Okay, like that. Then press Enter. Then we need to duplicate the fifth layer with Ctrl J and press Transform, flip vertical. So it is like ship's reflection at sea. Yeah. Okay, we need color overlay, for example, lighten. Yeah. On screen. No, lighten. Okay, and opacity should be 50%. Let's take the part shape, which is the fifth layer, and add layer mask. Then we make the part shape look like it's underwater with the help of black brush. Opacity 50%. Here we go. Okay. So we'll get the impression that the ship is on the water. Great. I want to group the ship, the fifth layer, and its reflection, the fifth layer copy. So select two layers and press Ctrl G. And the ship is in the group called the ship корабль in Russian. Also, I want to make color adjustments. Select exactly the image of the ship, then hue saturation, and change the settings a little bit. That's right. Now let's add some gulls. Create a new layer. It is a sixth layer. We can we can zoom out. We can zoom out by Ctrl T. Yeah, like that. Okay. And also we can add layer mask and remove the opacity of some gulls with the help of black brush. So it's like some gulls are on the foreground and the others are on the background. Yeah. So, okay. So like that. Now I'd like this picture to be more atmospheric and create a group called filters. And I will make extra color adjustments here. So let's change some settings by pressing hue saturation. Yeah. Okay, and color balance and maybe brightness and contrast. And color balance. Okay. So like it was and like it is. Then we select the first layer and make vignette. Press filter, then lens correction, custom, and vignette. We can change amount to darken and midpoint. Okay. And it is like the effect of feathered dark frame. We can change opacity to 70%. Now we'll unite all layers we've made during this project into one group. Okay. Now we will see how it works and how it is. This is such a wonderful lesson. Thanks so much for watching. Let's like this video and subscribe to ITGENIO channel. Hope you are all done well. See you next time. Bye.